guys, how you all doing? Sorry. So it's a vlog. It's a vlog, yeah. Our morning routine. Yes. So this is what we do in the morning when I wake up in the morning. So yeah, our auntie is awake and she's ready to eat. I'll show you guys her breakfast and also her snack. What she will snack on. Yes, Papa. What she will snack on later, maybe around like 11-ish. Because right now I think it's 8 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, I'm also making breakfast for us, like pancake. Yes, baby. Yes. Okay, they're listening to you, my love. I'm also making pancake for us. So yeah, that's what we're having this morning for breakfast, and it's a Saturday morning for us. So if you're new here, my name is Jessica Tronovek. If this is what you're interested in this channel, we do DIY for hair growths and vlogs and motherhood. If this is what you're interested in, kindly subscribe. Yes, turn up the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notification whenever we upload a new video. Yes, and also like and comment. Yeah, and share. You see, my daughter is telling me for what to do. Okay, all right. So we'll see you all in our next one. Mia, do you have something to say? Okay, so that's what she has to say. Subscribe. All right, so we'll see you in our next one. Bye, guys. So guys, here is her meal. She's having oatmeal and apple. Then this is her snack, which is apple, banana and yogurt. She loves eating this oatmeal and apple a lot. Sometimes I put cinnamon inside, and sometimes we do this with banana. Okay, so it's really tastes good. And I also put added her milk inside. Okay, so guys, so after that I try to wash her plate and clean up the kitchen, wash the dishes, her feeding bottle, the dishes I used to do her meal before I proceed in making our own breakfast. So guys, this is a very simple and lazy morning for me. Normally I do laundry, like wash our dirty dresses on a Saturday, but this particular Saturday I already did that before because of it's always raining, so I don't want to pile up dresses. I keep on washing it. So this is the plate. Is I allowed this to air dry before I will use my plate rag to clean it. Yeah, I hope you're enjoying this video. So yeah, after this I will start preparing our breakfast. This is our breakfast. We're having pancake. Here is flour, 2 eggs, milk, vanilla and sugar. Then I put baking powder and I mix this together. In my husband's language they call this pancakes. He loves having this as his breakfast on a weekend, or we can do English breakfast, just based on how he feels that weekend. So before we start frying this, I'll on the fire, then add a little bit of oil, then I'll add the pancake, the shape of the pancake, how I want it to look like, then I'll flip it, and that's it guys. It's just pretty easy to make this pancake. I did not add any water inside, it's just milk is what is inside this pancake. I hope you're enjoying this vlog. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new here, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get a notification whenever we upload a new vlog, and also like and comment and share. So this is me trying to flip this, and look at how golden brown that looks like. And here my brother and my hubby are just talking. As you can see guys, I already washed dresses previously, so hubby decided to come close to me so that we can gist. And we're also talking to my mother-in-law on the phone, and we're cooking and just this is how we spend our weekend time together. Yeah. So guys, I started to change my clothes to wear something comfortable because baby girl needed attention, and I needed to change so I can be able to carry her up. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. So guys, here I'm having some green tea. As I said earlier in my previous vlogs, I love having green tea in the morning. It gives me that boost for a beautiful day. Okay, I'm just touching my daughter's hair and playing with her hair. And this is my 8 months tummy challenge bump. Yeah, so I know my stomach is not going to go down the way it was, but we are gradually getting to that place where I feel more comfortable in it. Yeah, so this is my breakfast, just having one pancake with half banana and yogurt from my daughter's food. This is her food, her snack. She's having this snack, and this is first time me trying this combo together, and she really enjoyed it. On the normal, I can take that, on by myself, but for my daughter, this is my first time giving it to her, and she really enjoyed it, like very well. So after this, I will wash the dishes, and after washing the dishes, dry the dishes. After drying the dishes and place them in where they're supposed to go, and I will go give my baby girl a bath. After she bathed, and I fed her, I breastfed her. Then after breastfeeding her, and she slept. So when she wakes up from her little nap, then we'll go out to go see the sunlight, the birds, and take in some fresh air and enjoy the rest of our day. So this is my lazy, pretty lazy morning routine. What I do in the morning, as I said earlier on, sometimes I do wash my dresses. I like do a full clean out of my house, like wash the bathroom and the rest of the stuff. If you want to see that kind of my intensive morning routine with my baby girl, let me know in the comment section so I can shoot I can shoot that video for you. Yeah, so I love you guys so much for all the support, and you people are my family on YouTube, and you should take care of yourself. This is us enjoying the sunlight, and yeah, I'll see you all in our next one. Bye for now.